Welcome back. It is time for Legal Grounds. That means McCormick Law Firm owner Cagney McCormick is joining us back in studio this morning to answer your accident and personal injury questions. Good morning. It's so nice to see you.
Good morning.
Okay. Do not wait. Text your questions now. Here's the number to text to, 214-977-6028. Cagney, first of all, before we get to viewer questions, can you just describe what a work injury case is?
Simple. Anytime you're on the job or clocked in at work and you get injured,
that's it.
That's it. That's
okay.
The start.
And you and I were just talking about this. If someone is injured on the job, what are their options in Texas?
Well, if you have injuries on the job, to get medical treatment, you would get that through the Texas Workers' Comp plan or a private plan your company has, or through an attorney.
Okay, we're going to take some viewer questions because you have a lot of questions. My mother was hurt at the job and was receiving workers' comp, but now they have ended all coverage due to doctors declaring her maximum medical improvement. She can no longer work, has lost wages due to her age. She has taken early retirement. What can she do for the loss of income?
So usually somebody's going to call a workers' comp attorney that specializes in this field to argue that maximum improvement status. Hopefully there's enough time in this case that they can do that. So they definitely need to speak to an attorney.
Okay, we have another question from a viewer. I was injured on the job in 2021, June. I have been out on leave since. Workers' comp stopped in October because they said they overpaid due to backdating my benefits. I'm still out on leave and they haven't communicated when I could, if returned. What do I do?
Again, you've got to contest the maximum improvement status that you have. So hiring an attorney, seeing different doctors to argue that will hopefully overturn that and allow your benefits to get kicked back in.
Okay, another question. My name is Mike. If I am receiving workman's comp impairment rating 5%, can I dispute the rating?
Yes, you're going to need to see medical doctors, somebody different probably than the doctor who gave you that rating, and then resubmit that to either the Texas Workers' Comp plan or their private insurance carrier that they use.
Okay, and we got another question. Appreciate your questions. Hope we can get to several. I got injured on the job in February. Don't feel like I've gotten correct care. I believe I've been misdiagnosed. What are my options now? I've called the insurance adjuster and requested another doctor. I have not gotten a response.
You're doing the right thing in searching another doctor. You want to immediately engage somebody, maybe yourself or through an attorney, to start another rehab or evaluation testing. It's the most common situation. Workers' comp doctors want to immediately send you back to work, so your company doesn't have to pay you anymore.
Okay, we have another one. What if we won a judgment and that party will not pay? What do we do? Well,
if you won a judgment and you don't have an attorney, go hire an attorney. Attorneys love going and get judgments, but you're going to have to talk to an attorney on that and see what the terms of that judgment were, as well as the payment process. But they owe you. You won a judgment.
What happens if your company fires you after you make a workers' comp claim?
So that's illegal in Texas. That's called retaliation. It's a second case than a work injury case. So you can have a retaliation case and a workers' compensation case, but you absolutely need to speak to a work injury attorney, someone who specializes in that and can walk you through the process of making that lawsuit.
Okay, thank you so much. We had a ton of questions this morning. Really appreciate it. We're going to have you back again. Where can viewers submit questions?
Directly to my email, cmccormick@theinjuryattorney.law.
Okay, and I'm going to repeat that again in just a minute. Thank you. It's great to see you this morning, Cagney.
Thank you.
Okay, McCormick Law Firm offers a new client a free consultation. Call 972-972-4444 or go to notatfault.law for more information. Now, as Cagney just said, you can also email any questions you have to cmccormick@theinjuryattorney.law.